Here I have POCO M2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So to do it, you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to insert this tool into the hole next to the slot and slightly press it like this. This slot will pop out, and here we have to insert our SIM card. So here we have slot slot 1, and here we have slot 2. So let's insert it to slot 1 and then put it back into our device, just like this. Wait, I'm putting it wrong. Yeah, like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So let's enter it, and yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.